In this video, we will show you the latest version of ESCO Store Visualizer 2507 with some exciting new functionality allowing you to customize stores. Notice the templates available here with the icon in the lower right hand corner are available to be reconfigured. Notice the message at the bottom of the screen indicating that you can edit and reconfigure the environment by going to the Environment button and clicking on the Edit Store. Here you can see the different categories: ceiling, beams, lights, HVAC, and electricity, with each of those being configurable. Using the little drop down, we can change parameters like spacing, scale, picking types. For now, you'll only find one type, but in upcoming versions, we are going to expand on this customization. Whenever you want to see the change that you made, you can click on the Preview button. And so we'll keep adding or making changes right here. Let's change some parameters around the lights. So we can set the intensity of the light, the color temperature, the height. Right here, let's change that to 7 feet from the top of the ceiling. The spacing between the lights we'll make a little smaller. And the distance between the rows, instead of 9.8 feet, we make that 7 feet and 4 feet from the walls. Again, clicking that Preview button will give you an immediate preview. Let's make one or two more configuration adjustments here to the HVAC section. And then finally, hit that Finalize button. You can also view the store, of course, from the top. But let's go ahead and finalize what we've done so far. This could take a few minutes to render. Here, we speed up this sequence, and then you have your final store. Notice that you can still continue to adjust static elements like the back wall, the front, left, right, and floor by picking here from presets. Let's pick the concrete wall, precast concrete, for both the front as well as the left and the right and the back. Let's select the floor, head a little bit up to the floor materials and pick a dark tile for the floor. These changes happen immediately, so no need to wait for any render. Just as a reminder, you have the opportunity also to adjust and load your own images to create a pattern. As you are setting this store up, we have added a measuring tool. So this is preferably used from a bird's eye view, which you can access using the T shortcut, T as in tango, and then using the mouse you can zoom in, zoom out, and move. Let's use the second tool right here, the measuring tool, and create a 3x3 grid. Make that grid sticky and show labels. And so this is a great first step to lay out the width of the aisle and where all our furniture will go. So since this is a DIY store, we'll be loading up some models here in a second, but other parameters you can use to configure are tone mapping, which is exposure, adaptation, and glare. So that's all about lighting. And then we have additional lighting settings right here. Enable sunlight. In our case, we don't have any windows, so that's not applicable. And then, as mentioned previously, the regular settings. So I am loading here some model libraries. Just as a friendly reminder, these libraries contain 3D models, such as FBX files. Those can be purchased from websites like turbosquid.com for a low price. Right here you can see the extension of these 3D models here. Let's go ahead and pick this AM200 storage shelf. Use the store design mode and then place that shelf at the back wall like so. And again, using that shortcut T to go into this bird's eye view, we can position that shelf a second time right here. Hit the T button again to exit the bird's eye view. Use your spacebar to go into move mode and go and use your arrow keys to go back and forth to move. Let's go ahead and position this 0701 FBX model on the left wall. Notice as you rotate your mouse, you'll see a green arrow indicating the front size of the model. In this case, it's a shelf which is symmetrical on both sides, so not that important. And here we're placing some gardening soil or cement bags right here. Searching through these different models to pick a different model to position here. Again, a single click suffices to place that model. Next up, let's place this large AM225 model, again using my bird's eye view. And so with this, you see the process of gradually, slowly but surely, creating that DIY store. Next step is then typically signage in the store that we would provide. And with that, you can quickly configure the store visualizer basic templates and make it look and feel like the retail environment that you want to simulate. Hope you like this feature. Feel free to head on over to the download store after purchasing and try out this new exciting feature. Good luck customizing your stores. Thanks for watching.